What's up, perverts? This is Burps Part 3. Come on, Nikki. Hit him with it.
Are you actually recording?
I am. Oh. Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
Ouch.
Oh, ouch. That hurt. That one hurt, actually. That was so loud. All right, let's see what else you got.
I can make it louder.
Wow. Come on. Well, put your money where your mouth is. Let's do this. That was so weak. I should erase that. Honestly, that should be erased from this video. Because that was just so... Sounded like you were dying there.
I am.
Like the death throes of like a zebra or something.
One more.
I was trying to like follow the path of the burp like... Now you...
There's more in there, but I can't get it out.
Now you have another special talent, you said, right? You said if you swallow too much air, it could potentially not only be burps that you gotta worry about. What? What? Tell us. Tell me.
You farted.
You thought I farted? What? Oh my God. Encore, come on. One more. It's like, you know, at the end of a fireworks show, they got to do one last. Wow, you're like playing the... She was like playing like the burp piano there. Like you should... like boom, boom, and then... Come on. Come on.
That one was gross. That one stunk.
Oh, that one stunk, huh? Wow.
All right, are you done?
I don't know. Are you? It's up to you. You're the burps master. Burps Part 3. Are we all settled here? Oh no, she's not ending it yet. She knows her fans are out there.
What should I say?
Recite the ABCs with burps.
I could probably.
Do it backwards too. Extra challenge.
DYX. No. Okay, that's it.
That's it.
My stomach
That's the
hurts.
end of Burps 3.
Yep.
Burps 3. All right.